Temperature sensors play a fundamental role in the efficiency of HVAC systems, both in residential and commercial environments. These devices, integrated into air conditioning and heating systems, have the function of constantly monitoring thermal conditions and ensuring that the environment maintains a comfortable temperature. In addition to improving comfort, they also help to optimize energy consumption, making HVAC systems more efficient and economical. 1. How temperature sensors work. Temperature sensors act by measuring the ambient temperature and sending this information to the HVAC control system. Based on these measurements, the system adjusts the operation of the air conditioning or heating, turning it on or off as necessary. The accuracy of these sensors is crucial to ensure that the equipment operates only when necessary, avoiding unnecessary operation and, consequently, saving energy. 2. The importance of energy savings. A climate control system that operates based on well-calibrated temperature sensors can significantly reduce energy consumption. Without sensors, the air conditioner or heater can continue to operate even after the room has reached the desired temperature, wasting energy. Sensors ensure that the system is activated only when there is a variation in temperature, adjusting the cooling or heating as needed, which translates into lower energy consumption and lower electricity bills. 3. Applications and technological advancements. With technological advances, temperature sensors are increasingly intelligent and integrated into home and commercial automation systems. Smart thermostats, for example, use sensors to automatically adjust the temperature based on usage patterns, schedules, and even space occupancy. These systems can be controlled remotely by applications, allowing for greater customization and efficiency in climate control, in addition to providing comfort and savings for users. Temperature sensors are essential for the proper functioning and efficiency of modern climate control systems. Not only do they ensure a more comfortable environment by precisely adjusting the temperature, they also play an important role in reducing energy consumption. With the integration of new technologies and smart solutions, the use of sensors will continue to be a crucial factor for sustainability and cost-effectiveness in HVAC systems, whether in homes or large commercial buildings.